Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to allow everyone to tag you in photos in X. Allowing others to tag you in photos can enhance your social media experience and foster connections with friends and followers. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of enabling photo tagging for everyone in X. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be taken to the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon, typically positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the account icon to access your account settings. Step 3. A drawer will appear. From the options available, tap on Settings and Support. Step 4. Inside the Settings menu, look for Setting and Privacy. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Next, tap on Privacy and Safety to access the privacy settings for your account. Step 6. Within the Privacy and Safety section, tap on Account Information. Step 7. Look for the option labeled Audience and Tagging and tap on it. Step 8. Within the Audience and Tagging settings, locate Photo Tagging and tap on it. Step 9. Finally, select the option Anyone can tag you to allow everyone to tag you in photos. And there you have it. You have successfully enabled the option for everyone to tag you in photos in X, allowing for more engagement and connections with others. Thank you for watching, and may your X experience be filled with meaningful connections and shared moments.